just want to show you something. I'm actually in my normal booth in here, as you can see, and you can probably hear, maybe, a difference, particularly when I walk outside, out into the main room. All of a sudden, it becomes reverberant. But I just want to demonstrate the tri-booth. The tri-booth, once you get inside here, and I shut this curtain, you will notice that it is actually very good. Now, admittedly, it probably sounds a bit more boxy than the normal studio, but with the right microphone, I'm using an NTG5, and the right interface, you'll get a really nice sound. And what do you get in your tri-booth? Well, I'll show you. You get your drink stand, so you can put your drink in there. You get your copy stand. You get your boom arm for your microphone. You get a light. And so it's great. Love it. And it's perfect for if you want to set up at home and you can't afford to buy studio bricks or build your own booth. And it's also perfect because if you go traveling, you pull it down, put it in a suitcase and on board with you. And it fits in luggage without any extra fees. Try a booth. Try one.